Hey guys, so here's a simple 3-minute breakdown of the whole MSCI situation. This is the main reason MSTR has been bleeding, so let's get everyone fully up to speed. Back in September 2025, MSCI, the company that decides what stocks go into the world's biggest equity indexes, started questioning whether companies like Microstrategy should still count as normal operating businesses. Their thinking was basically, if a company holds most of its assets in Bitcoin and keeps raising money just to buy more Bitcoin, is that really a software company anymore? Or is it just a crypto fund pretending to be a company? Then on October 10th, they made it official and opened a public consultation. The key point is this: funds and ETFs are not allowed inside major MSCI equity indexes. And if MSCI decides MSTR behaves more like a fund, they could kick it out. Why does that matter so much? Right now, about 8 to 9 billion worth of MSTR shares are held by passive index funds and ETFs. Those funds don't get to choose. If MSCI removes MSTR from the index on January 15th, 2026, they are required to sell automatically. No negotiation. That's around 15 to 20% of the entire float, dumped instantly, which would obviously crush the stock. This is why the entire crypto market rolled over in October. Smart money saw MSCI's announcement and quietly exited. That's why MSTR has been sliding for 6 weeks, even when Bitcoin looked stable. Now, fast forward to yesterday, Saylor finally responded publicly. I'll drop his full post in the comments, but here's the short version. He's saying MSTR is not a passive fund. They still run a $500 million software business. They build new financial products. They raised $7.7 billion this year alone using multiple new Bitcoin-backed structures. They launched Stretch, a monthly yield Bitcoin credit product. No ETF can innovate like that. Saylor's message is basically, we are not just sitting on coins, we are building the world's first Bitcoin native financial institution. Now here's a timeline that matters. Feedback deadline, December 31st, 2025. Final MSCI decision, January 15th, 2026. If removed, forced selling hits during the February 2026 rebalance. If allowed to stay or delayed again, massive relief rally and short squeeze. So what's priced in right now? The market is trading like there's a 70 to 80% chance MSTR gets removed. That fear is holding the stock down.